This week on No Pinch Cooking. So my name is Ayub and I was born in Canada.
Hey, you look over there. You can come through the front.
So let's try that again. My name is Ayub and unfortunately I live in Canada and the climate looks like. So where I'm from, in Karachi, we don't get this weather often, but in the northern part of Pakistan known as Kashmir, we get this weather all the time. So Kashmir is situated in the northern part of the Indian subcontinent, situated near the Himalayan mountains. Kashmir's culture is significant. They have their own food, language, and traditions. Unfortunately, for the past 7 decades, Kashmir has been the battleground for a territorial war between India, Pakistan, and briefly China. It's minus 6 degrees in Toronto today, and I'm told that when Kashmir people are cold, they drink thick, luxurious Kashmiri Chai, aka noon chai. Kashmiri Chai is a green or oolong tea made with a unique preparation method, giving it a pale pink color. There are 2 parts of making Kashmiri Chai. First, you need to make the kawa. So you'll need 8 cups of water, 8 pyali pani, 8 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chai or oolong tea, green tea works too, 8 chamcha Kashmiri Chai ki patti, a quarter cup tablespoon of baking soda. And now your optional ingredients are 1 star anise, 1 bidya ka pul, and 5 cardamin pods, 5 choti ilachi. To make the kawa, first add up all the ingredients into a pot with 8 cups of water. Stir occasionally until you bring the kawa to a hard boil. Once the tea is at a rolling boil, you need to start aerating the kawa. You do this by ladling the tea from a height to give the tea a physical shock.
आप लोगों की बातें खत्म हुई हैं। ये तमाशा देखने वाली है जीजी। इस घर का खेल खत्म कर किसी और घर में जाएंगे पर्दा गिराने।
Once the kawa has reduced to 1 cup, add 4 more cups of ice water. Bring the kawa back to a hard boil and keep aerating until the liquid has been reduced to about 4 cups. Strain the tea leaves and make sure you get all the liquid out as possible. This will yield 8 cups of tea, and don't worry about going to waste. Kawa keeps in the fridge for up to 7 days. The second part is actually making the chai. For the chai, you'll need a half a cup of kawa for every 1 cup of chai you make. Half a cup of milk for every 1 cup of chai you make. And your optional ingredients are crushed almonds to garnish. To make the chai, first heat the milk in a small saucepan. Once the milk has started to rise from the heat, ladle in the kawa and bring it back to your desired heat. Now it's the best part, and now I can enjoy the tea with my grandparents.
Barakallah, mashallah. Did I chai have it? Ayub, come on. This is very nice tea.
Where's my Kashmiri tea?
You don't get any because you didn't help.
तुम मेरा दुश्मन हो.
कौन सी चाय है?
कश्मीरी चाय.
कश्मीरी चाय.
जी.
बहुत अच्छी.
मेहनत से बनाई.
अयूब ने. बहुत अच्छी बनाई अयूब तुमने चाय.
Great success.
Take a sip of your tea, and you should be like, ah.
No, that's so corny.